Today we'll be making a bird feeder, mostly for clinging birds. Here we have a log, sturdy enough to make our feeder. I'll mark about 1 foot on my log so I'll know where to cut. Here we have a nicely cut piece for the feeder. I'm marking now where I'll be drilling holes into the feeder. I'm going to fill these holes with food for the birds. I'll also be drilling holes in both ends of the log. Now we have all the holes we need to place the food. This is the bit that I'm going to be using to drill the 2 holes in both sides of the feeder for the eye hooks. I'm now screwing in one of the eye hooks. Got to make sure I get it nice and straight. I'm going to use this larger drill bit to get a little leverage on the hook. This is what I'll be using to fill the feeder: woodpecker treat, suet dough. I've cut the dough into easy to work with pieces, and now I'm going to stuff it as tightly as possible. And now that's enough for the first hole. I'm going to move to the second. Got to pack it nice and tight. And for the holes on both ends, I'll be doing the same thing, packing them nice and tight. There we have our feeders hanging, just waiting for the birds to come and enjoy them.